What's up, YouTube? Back at y'all boys with another video. Custom Instinct, Silky Smooth Gang, Coleman Crew. So I had a little issue. My hood won't pop on my El Camino, and we got a show this Saturday. So we're gonna try to get it open. I haven't did no prepping, no nothing. This is like me and y'all trying to figure this out. So I just grabbed a couple of tools of what I think we probably gonna need, but let's see if we can get it done. Alright, so the latch is pulled out, still not opening, so let's see what we can figure out. I don't know. I'm gonna try to pull the grill out, see if we can see anything right there. Maybe we can get to the latch or something like that. Hopefully y'all can see. I ain't got no cameraman right now, man, so just bear with me. Let me get the camera so y'all can see what's going on. So that's the latch right there. That's the main latch right there. Let's see if we can. Man, I don't know, guys. I'll get right back to y'all. Alright, guys, I got y'all lined up. So it's a little latch right there where I got the screwdriver. So I'm gonna have to put the light down, see if I can hit it, and maybe get it to pop open. Oh, hold on, it moved. It moved a little bit. I think this latch is messed up. It moved a little bit. Let's see if that popped it. Oh. Alright guys, I got another spot on it. Let me see if that'll work. Move it a little bit more. Shit open right there. Shit open. That shit open, I think. I ain't never had this one happen, so it's new to me too. Well, let's see if it'll pop open now. There it is. She popped open, man. Heck yeah. So, all we needed was, you can use a Phillips screwdriver, but I used my DeWalt power gun. Remove the grill, a hammer, and a flathead. And shoot. Got it open. Yes, sir. Got it open. So I don't know what caused that, but I'm gonna mess with this latch a little bit and see what we can do. Yep. Appreciate y'all watching. Check out some of my other videos. Like, subscribe. Custom Instincts. We out.